What's up, guys? It has been a long time. Happy New Year, everybody. Oh my god, I can't even remember the last time I posted. We don't talk about that. But starting from now on, I will try to post as much as I can. Promise. Well, since it was the new year, I thought I might as well make another video because I haven't posted in centuries? Who knows at this point. So I decided to come back with actually a Python video. I am thinking of starting a Python series to help people with their Python problems, so stay tuned for more videos from that. Anyways, Happy New Year's and enjoy the video.